I'm about to get ripped off by the Ford dealership. And since I'm expecting this, I'm preparing a hidden camera to see what Ford really does. Let's see if this GoPro will work. Okay, so how did I even get into this situation? My friend Ryan almost got locked out of his car, found himself needing another key.
And we stopped at a gas station about halfway home, and we went to unlock the car, and we were freaked out because the unlock button didn't work on the lock.
All right, I'm gonna go get ripped off by the Ford dealership to help get another key and then show a better way. Let's get one of these under the seat. Okay, I'm gonna call Ford dealership, see how much they're gonna charge and get an appointment scheduled and have them make a new key fob. After that, we're gonna see what it takes for Tomskey company to make a new key fob. It's a little bit of a head-to-head competition, and the Ford dealership doesn't know what's happening. I'm trying to get a new key fob made for a 2012 Ford Explorer. So $242 and change after tax.
Yep,
So that's
programming.
Just for the key, not the programming. $242 just for the key fob. Oh.
Yeah, programming is an additional, I believe, about $160. Now you'd have to make an appointment through service.
Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to see about getting a key fob programmed for my 2012 Explorer. Tell me, how long should I plan to spend there?
I would recommend you to drop it off for the day.
Okay. Okay. $242 for the key fob, $160 for programming.
And I gotta drop the car off for the day.
Ouch. But let's see how it compares, Tomskey company versus the Ford dealership. The car key is $64.95 right now on our website. And to get the key cut with our key by photo service, this is really cool. We're gonna cut the key before it ships. I also need the programmer. So the total cost is $169.90. Remember, a Ford dealership just told me it was gonna cost them $160 to program it, and that's before buying the key fob. That's a whole lot less than the $400. You could probably do something with that. $230, I'm thinking. So let's see how long it takes while I sit there and hang out. Let's see how this goes down. We've got an appointment to get another key made for Ford Explorer. Waiting at the car dealership, see how long it takes. I've spent an hour of my time getting to the point of the Ford service tech starting to program the key.
For one of those remotes with the key, you'll get $242.14 after tax.
I've spent 2 hours of my time and over $400 so far, but I'm not done yet. Oh man, I gotta come back again. I just left the Ford dealer. Let me show you what happened. Take a look at this. Told me they cut and programmed lost key. Charge $135. Here's the key. Look at that. They didn't cut it. Said they were gonna cut it. Told me they'd cut it. $135 plus $13.50 for a miscellaneous shop charge, whatever that means. Total $159.27. At least they were on with their estimate where they said it was going to be $160. This was just the cost for them to program the key. And then they told me I couldn't get it cut today. I have to set up another appointment. So I've got to go back again to get the emergency key blade cut. Now you might say, why do you want the emergency key blade? You want the emergency key blade because if the battery in your fob has died, or if your vehicle battery dies, right, you leave your headlights on or something, none of the electronics will work. You won't be able to open the door. So you want to have that emergency key blade cut to put in and unlock the door so you can get in. Thanks a lot, Ford. I'm looking forward to coming back, spending more time in your waiting room while you get this plastic key blade cut, like you said you did, in my bill. I've spent over 2 hours making appointments, driving down there, sitting in the waiting room, wandering around. Nothing better I could be doing with my time, especially when I'm about to pay like $400 for this. Only to have them tell me that they didn't cut the new key, so I'm going back there again tomorrow to get this thing cut. Before I return to Ford for them to cut the key, watch how easy it is to program a spare key fob right at home. Here's programmer instructions. Tell us we got to download the app and scan the QR code. Ford Explorer 2011 through 2015. All right, and we've got the smart key. We got to come down, plug this thing in, It's scanning there. The serial number on here matches right there. Turn the ignition on. Okay. Pairing may last up to 10 minutes. All right, the first key, insert the smart key to be paired into the key backup slot in the center console. Current number of working keys, 2. Next. Current number of keys, 3. Complete. Driving back to Ford again. I'm back.
Okay.
Remember, this is the one with the key blade.
So,
Hey, you're back.
I was back there in parts are getting that all taken care of.
Oh,
It's got to fit and everything too.
awesome.
Took Ford 2 minutes to get back to us on the key code, which is pretty quick.
Sweet,
So,
yeah. That's
we got
super.
that now.
Now, you might say, but Mike, how do I get my emergency key blade cut? That's where the magic of our Key by Photo service comes into play. You just add that to your cart, check out, and upload 3 photos of your existing key. We'll cut the new one so it arrives already fitting your vehicle. It's that easy. Now, it took me about $400 and 3 hours to get this spare key fob made at Ford. Compare that to Tomskey Company, where it was about $200 and 30 minutes. The choice is yours. Visit tomskey.com to get your spare key and save a bundle of time and money in the process.